We're back at the fort. Hopefully we will get some job done today. We're starting because we have super access to the turbo, so we're putting in the turbo first. We're trying to figure out the problem. I mean, I don't know if it's a problem. We pre-filled it with oil, but the oil stays inside the turbo. It doesn't drain, even like slowly. I removed the drain and the oil, there's still oil in the turbo and it doesn't come out. But it's a brand new turbo. Was it supposed to be like that? Okay guys, sometimes instructions are useful. The problem that we have, it says right here, before attaching oil drain line to turbocharger, crank engine until oil flows from the oil drain hole in bearing housing. Do not start engine. Attach oil drain line to charger using a new gasket. So yeah, that's what we gotta do. So the oil probably has to stay inside and
going down. Look,
co?
the oil going down. Very slow, but
It's draining very slowly, but it stays, like you see it. Yeah, so we don't attach what I did before, the drain line. We will connect the supply line now, and then we will crank the engine when everything's put together, and we will see if the oil drains through that, and then we will connect it. That's what the instruction says. Another problem, we don't know what is this for. I mean, I believe it wasn't even here because we bought like the whole kit with all the bolts and nuts, and it came with the kit, but I don't think anything was here before. I screwed it in, we have the nut, but we can't remember. And there is, you see that thread in the block? I don't know if there was something here or not. We don't remember because it's been a couple months. And the problem is on the old turbo, you see, like, we can tell there was a screw here and here and here, but I don't think we even screwed in anything in the small one right here. I don't think anything went in here. And I was unscrewing these at home, you see, and I got only 3 from this side. Because in the rebuild we had to reuse them, and right here we got everything new, everything's brand new. Oh. We have to remove the one bolt, and it's so hard to reach, the one with the oil supply line that goes through with that little filter on it. We gotta clean that filter because we don't know what it looks like. We gotta make sure that oil has a good flow, and that's the biggest problem. Other than that, I just put in like a intercooler radiator. That's pretty much in place. There's just something holding me here. Oh, you see that those need to be closer to each other, but like here, but you see it's moved a little bit, but this one fits perfect, and there is one is here that fits too. You see that one? And then I have to screw this. There's 3 more screws here, and that's all together. And then just the fence, and the turbo's ready, other than the return line. just like coolant hoses, air hoses, and I just washed all those with brake cleaner. It's ready to go in and plug everything in, and you know, the hardest part is it's that one over there, that one bolt. Oh, there's a flashlight. I think it's even still on. That's what it looks like from the top. We will have to unplug all the coils to crank it. I was thinking about removing like the fuse for fuel pump, but since we got everything off, we can plug in, unplug the coils and crank it so it doesn't start, and make sure that oil flows through that new turbo right there. Whew. This is hardcore. 7 p.m. 9 hours. Getting close. Now we're trying to connect the air hoses over there. Everything here is in place. We're almost just the air. That's it. Put in new oil, new coolant, new oil filter, air filter. Batteries taken out. Oh, and yeah, like the bumper headlights and shit. We're done. Just the wheels, like the wheel wells, but he wants to do like underbody coating over in the wheel wells. Guys, it's a North Carolina car. Look at this. We're in Chicago. This is not a Chicago car. Okay, let's look at the Ford Explorer. We fixed it. It's been driving for a week.
Everything is good.
Everything is good. We just had a problem with our camshaft position sensor, which we just replaced, and it's all done. And it's been doing really fine. The one in the back over there, it's.
Say about the turbo, we just.
Oh, we checked the turbo if
turbo.
it's spinning, because we had some metal shavings in here, but it's the old ones. I mean, you can't really clean the whole system. You know what it is. The last turbo, it was totally melted. It's the last screw we gotta screw in from the. Okay, the last pipe from the turbo, we gotta screw it in. Over there, down there. We just checked both air hoses. The turbo's fine. So now we gotta start and see if it doesn't throw the code for the intake camshaft position sensor, because it might need a calibration, but I don't think this engine needs one. And we also checked this oil filter on the line to this turbo. There was nothing on it. Oil's clean, like not even a little bit of metal shavings in the oil, just a little bit in the air system, but we can't really do anything about it. Filter's brand new, and I don't know, intercooler's brand new, turbo's brand new.
Yeah. Tomorrow I have to clean up the cover, because it's really dirty, and I'm putting back the cover.
And that's it.
Cover up, and
we just want to make sure there is no oil leak down there from that oil supply line. Look how beautiful this engine's working, and it's still cold. It's gonna drop the RPM pretty soon. I don't see any kind of oil down there. I think it's pretty good, but let's give it a couple minutes.